Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2018 Ram 2500 Tradesman. Stock number 28703T. Now this is a regular cab Ram 2500 with 8-foot bed. Got the Hemi in it, so you got the 5.7 gasser. It is a 4x4. Got steel kind of plated, chromed out 18-inch rims on here. Some pretty aggressive tires, some work tires. Of course, it's a work truck. Got work grade vinyl in it. It's diesel gray. This is a 40-20-40 split bench here. Put your console in there. 5-inch display. It is a Sirius satellite radio. Got your trailer brake control from the factory. Here's your 4x4 shifter. Cruise control. Hands-free telephone, the Uconnect system. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. LED bed lighting there. Rear backup camera, trailer tow. A lot of bed space here. This has got the Snow Chief prep group on it. Chrome appearance group, that's where you get the chromed out wheels there. Trailer tow mirrors. Again, 2018 Ram 2500, Tradesman, regular cab, 4x4, long bed, 5.7 Hemi in it. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.